Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Browse AI login issues in 2026. If you're unable to sign in, stuck on the login page, or facing authentication errors, this guide will help you solve it step by step. First, check your internet connection and make sure it is stable and working properly. Next, refresh the Browse AI login page or restart your browser to clear temporary glitches. Now make sure you are entering the correct email address and password for your account. Next, if you forgot your password, click the Forgot Password option and reset it through your email inbox. Now check your email spam or junk folder in case the reset link does not appear in your main inbox. Next, clear your browser cache and cookies to remove any corrupted login data. Now try logging in using a different browser or use incognito mode to avoid extension conflicts. Next, disable VPNs, proxies, or browser extensions like ad blockers that may block the login process. Now check if Browse AI servers are temporarily down and wait a few minutes before trying again. Finally, if the issue still continues, reset your password again or contact Browse AI support for account assistance. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to fix Browse AI login issues. You should now be able to access your account without any problems. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.